Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can cancel Terabox subscription, especially on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, I'm going to go to my Terabox application. And as you can see guys, I have subscribed to the Terabox, and if we want to cancel it guys, we won't be able to do it on the application, but we need to go to the Play Store to cancel the Terabox subscription. If you are an Android user, you can go to your Play Store, but if you are iOS user, you can go to the Apple Store. And the process, it's a little bit same. And I'm going to go to my Play Store, and here we need to go to the profile, and make sure you select the Google account you used to subscribe to the Terabox. And this is my Google account. I use this Google account to subscribe to the Terabox. Okay, because I have logged into multiple accounts right here guys on my Android mobile phone, so I need to select one of them. If you just use one Google account on your Android mobile phone or your iOS phone, you don't need to care about it. I mean, you don't need to care about the Google account, but if you have logged into multiple accounts, you need to select the account you use to subscribe to Terabox. Okay, and here we need to go to the payments and subscriptions, and then go to the subscriptions. And after you have subscribed to the Terabox will appear right here on your subscription. And then if you want to cancel it, you just need to click on the Terabox. Okay, and you can simply click on cancel subscription. Okay, but I'm not gonna do that guys, because I don't want to cancel my subscription. But if you want to cancel it, you just need to click on cancel subscription. And here you will be able to get the reminder about the upcoming charges, and also the payment method and backup payment method. You can change it right here if you want. Okay, but if you want to cancel it, just click on cancel subscription, and then your subscription to the Terabox will be canceled automatically. Okay guys, and that's all the way to cancel Terabox subscription, especially on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.